We combine that sense of craft with the powerful technologies and capabilities of Apple Watch to create these new faces. The GMT face shows multiple time zones at once and takes into account where you are. The Count Up face lets you start tracking elapsed time from any given point. And inspired by classic racing watches, the Chronograph Pro face features multiple time scales, including a tachymeter to measure speed based on time traveled over a set distance. In the Typograph face, numerals can be displayed in 3 custom type styles and 4 different scripts. Every combination is tailored to fit the face perfectly. We also collaborated with the artist Jeff McFetridge to create a unique piece of art for your watch. There are millions of combinations, and a different one animates when you raise your wrist. The Memoji face brings your favorite Memoji to your watch. Each one moves and reacts to your touch. And with the Stripes face, you can show your pride in who you are, support your favorite team, or even match what you're wearing. We're so proud to add to the legacy of Apple Watch faces with this new collection.
In watchOS 7, we also gave developers new tools to build even more specialized watch faces. So if you're into surfing, there's a watch face for that, with apps like Dawn Patrol to check surf conditions. Or if you're into photography, there's a watch face for that, with apps like Lumi to help you track the sun's position. Or if you're a healthcare provider, there's a watch face for that, with apps like Notable to see your upcoming appointments. Watch faces have always been a great way to personalize your Apple Watch. Another is interchangeable bands. Now, traditional watch bands have a clasp or buckle, and they're limited to a few preset sizes for fit. Well, today, we're excited to introduce something completely different. We call it the Solo Loop. The Solo Loop is remarkably simple. No clasp, no buckle, no overlapping parts, just one continuous piece. Made from custom liquid silicone, the Solo Loop is stretchable so you can easily slip it on and off your wrist. It looks great, and it's durable, and it's swim-proof, so it can go anywhere. It's available in a range of sizes so you can find your most comfortable fit. And it comes in 7 fantastic colors. This new band style is so comfortable, we did another version called the Braided Solo Loop. It's made from 100% recycled yarn that's meticulously braided with ultra-thin silicone threads, and it will be available in 5 colors.
I wonder what the third
We're also offering a new take on the leather band with the new leather link, with no loop back or clasp of any kind. There are also great new updates for Apple Watch Nike, with fun new sport band and sport loop colors, plus a new Nike watch face. And for Apple Watch Hermes, we're introducing the new Attelage band in both single tour and double tour. That's Apple Watch Series 6, the most advanced Apple Watch ever. We think you're gonna love all the amazing new features. This year, we're doing 2 additional things to make Apple Watch available to even more people. And the first is an entirely new way for families to use Apple Watch. And here's Deidre to tell you all about it.
Apple Watch is essential for staying connected to those you love, whether that's a child or an older adult. Right now, Apple Watch needs to pair with an iPhone, which is something they might not have. This is why we're excited to introduce Family Setup.
Oh, cool.
With Family Setup, you can use your iPhone to pair watches for your children or older members in your household who don't have their own phones.
It is a good
And they will
feature.
have their own phone number and account. Let me show you how it works.
It's magic.
Family Setup enables greater independence for your kids or older parents. And you have the comfort of knowing
older
they're just a call away. You get the safety and communication features that technology can deliver in a device that can be managed responsibly. For example, you can specify which contacts your kids can communicate with when using messages and more. And you can set up automatic location notifications. So whether it's grandma's house, school, or basketball practice, you'll get the reassurance your child is exactly where you expect them to be. To help them stay active, kids can now track move minutes and use all the other great features of activity and workout in a way that works best for them. Kids can create a Memoji with just their watch and share it as stickers and messages or in the new Memoji watch face. Whether they're learning at home or in the classroom, the new school time mode helps kids stay focused. With Do Not Disturb, restricted interaction, and this distinctive look, which teachers or parents can recognize at a glance. These are just some of the ways Family Setup provides kids and older
That's
adults
interesting.
with the powerful and unique benefits of Apple Watch, even if they don't have an iPhone. Family Setup requires a cellular model of Apple Watch Series 4 and later, and will be available at launch with these carrier partners in these regions around the world, with more coming later this year.
Well, it's pretty.
And that's Family
expensive.
Setup. Back to Jeff.
So you gotta have $10.
We think Family Setup will keep families more connected, giving kids
the more
greater
expensive
independence and
version of the
agency,
watch.
and you more peace of mind. The second thing we're doing to make Apple Watch available to even more people is to create a new model that combines elements of Series 6 design with the most essential features of Apple Watch, all at a more affordable price. We call it Apple Watch SE. Apple Watch SE has the features customers love. It has everything you need to stay connected, be more active, and keep an eye on your health. And like Series 6, Apple Watch SE uses our largest and most advanced watch display, allowing you to see so much more at a glance. More information and apps on your watch face, more in messages, calendar, and maps, and larger and easier to read metrics while you're working out. And for fast access to information and apps, Apple Watch SE uses the S5 chip for up to 2 times faster performance